Hello everyone, this is Rahul from OPUS. Here we are going to solve this question which asks draw the face of a man wearing glasses. Okay, so first let's start building upon the face. So we will draw the structure of the face first. Okay, so suppose this is the head. Let's visualize it as a form of a skull first. Okay, and this is the mouth, the nose, the lips. Okay, then after this we will get the ears, and that is how we get the general structure of the head where the glass cell reside. Okay, all right, so after this we will add the glass here because this is the place where the glass cell come. So let's first think of it as a rectangle. So suppose this is the rectangle which is at this angle. Okay, and after that we are going to break it like this way. So now you see we have that structure, and here we can give light indication of the eyes and the eyebrows. Okay, then the nose, the structure of the nose. All right, so it gives slight amount of beards here. And slight indication of the cloth which goes around this, and then we will give hairs. So let's give a modern hairstyle like this. So you see we have this slight shading of to bring the facial structure. Okay, after that you can go for the glasses. Okay, so suppose his eyes is somewhere here. Okay, it is the structure of the eyes. All right, and then you can bring out the glass like this. So it's basically how light and shade works, that nothing else, nothing more than that. Whether you are aware like how light and shade works when somebody is wearing the glass, and how it casts a shadow over the facial structure, and how realistically you can portray it, or how your depiction is very apt. Alright, now after that you can give a little bit of highlight at some places, and that will give you a much more interesting looking sketch. So I hope you understood how to solve questions like this. Thank you.